Assalamu alaikum. Welcoming you all to lecture of introduction to artificial intelligence. Today we will know about very basics of artificial intelligence. So before starting the lecture, I want to ask a question that what is you understand to hearing the term artificial intelligence? So in general, we can say artificial intelligence is giving power artificially to the machines. A human have intelligence power, like he can think, a human can perform a task. If we can give that powers, give that intelligence to a machine artificially, then a machine have the artificial intelligence power. So, in definition, we can see that artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging of branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So, in definition, we have said that if we can build a machine that capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So we already know that human intelligence is the ability of thinking, ability of performing tasks. If we can give the capability to the machines, then we can say that that machine is artificial intelligence. So the thing is, if we can build a systems that think like human, that act like human, that think like rationally like human, and that act rationally like human, we can say that a machine is artificial intelligence. So how to understand AI? How we can consider a machine as artificial intelligence? So there is some points we should focus on, that speech recognition, learning, planning, problem solving, knowledge, reasoning, perception. These are the human intelligence. So if a machine have these powers, so we can consider that machine as artificial intelligence. So in the next slides, there is the major branches of AI. We already know what is AI, how we can consider a machine as artificial intelligence. So let's know about the major branches of AI. So there are couple of branches in artificial intelligence, such as artificial neural network, computer vision, expert system, fuzzy system, computer artificial intelligence, heuristic search, knowledge management, machine learning, meta heuristic and swarm intelligence, natural language processing, pattern recognition, robotics, and virtual intelligence. So, in the next slide, we have some artificial intelligence major branches which are very known to recent days, like cognitive computing, computer vision, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, natural language processing. So, a question can come up in our mind that what is cognitive computing? Well, cognitive computing is a computerized model to simulate human thoughts, where the answers are uncertain and ambiguous, where the computer vision is to derive meaningful information from digital images. In machine learning, machine by reading a data, a machine can learn, a machine can classify, a machine can recognize any pattern. In neural networks, there are a series of algorithms to recognize an underlying relationships through process that mimics human brains. In deep learning, it is a mix of machine learning and artificial intelligence, where that mimics the way human knowledge. Again, natural language processing is uh, we humans have communication skill and we communication through a language. So if we say there is a crow, the computer will never know that we say there is a crow. So we need to convert our natural language to a computer language. So the ability of a human computer program to understand human language is natural language processing. In the next slide, there is a history of AI, that how is artificial intelligence developed day by day. It starts in 1940, where a stored program computer Manchester Mark I was invented. Then in 1950, Mr. Alan Turing did a test. The name of the test was Turing test. He asked a question that can machine think? And after the years of 2020, we got Siri, which is the invention of advanced AI, which was integrated to iPhone 4S by Apple. So that's all for today about the basics of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching the lecture video. Assalamu alaikum.